It's just me, myself, and the fridge. Alright, let's get down to biz. Luckily, your girl likes to eat out a lot, but I do like to cook as well, and you can see the remnants of food. If you want a clean fridge, you gotta get all this stuff out. Alright, so let's... Taking this... Oh, definitely need one. Okay, should have thrown that away a long time ago. I should have never even kept that, and that's expired a month ago. That was for effect. I'm definitely going to recycle that stuff. Just make this a little faster, easier. I don't even know what this is. Now I'll hand wash that with soap and water. I'm going to wash the drawers now so that they can be drying while I'm actually cleaning the fridge. First, I'll wipe down the whole thing with a soapy sponge to get caked on things off. Let's just make this easier. This way I can fit all the way inside. Gotta wipe these. I'll wash these with soap and water as well. Fumes are intense. It smells clean. And we're done. Just kidding, we have to put everything back.